I want to show you something really cool. So this is our virtual environment where we can run an EV3 robot using our real program. So there is a mission. We need to follow the line all the way to until we hit a target, and we are going to use the code that we have written for roaring bots some time ago, and we'll navigate and we optimize that code a little bit to follow this line. We had to change some parameter like KI carry. We'll run that program. Let's say go to EV3 break. This is our code, the simple written code. We modify. We use the same follow line block that we have written, added, adjusted some of the values. We are going to run that code and see what happens. So we ran this code in this program, and let's see what's going to do here. It's trying to follow this line and it's pretty much on track. Let's see if it completes its mission. It's running fine. It's the VRT program that we wanted to run, so it's running that. So basically I connected our EV3 to this virtual robot, and it can do the missions now. Let's see, it did complete the mission, so good job. All right, so cool guys, I just want to show you something interesting that we will be using to teach kids how to program, and they can become expert in programming without having to worry about robot directly. So we are using the real sensors here. So there is a color sensor. We used also the gyro sensor. So we can use all kind of sensor. We can move the motors up and down, and we can actually run the whole first robotics mission as well. So yeah, I mean, this is what we want to cover in some of the software programming classes where we can do the design and still do these missions. Thank you, folks.